Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. Alright, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
Updated, November 30th, 2023, 20:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Published, October 11, 2023, 13:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tire repair shops near me are very common in the United States. Depending on where they live, drivers can find several options to consult estimates and resolve sudden tire failures, replace tires, or perform preventive maintenance, preventing wear and tear from affecting vehicle performance. To search on Google Maps, it is necessary to consider keywords related to our needs, so that the search will be more specific. Below are several search maps related to tire repair in this application. Tire repair near me are Auto Repair Corp. Address, 33-0721st. St. New York, New York 11106. Phone, 347-642-3208. Mavis Discount Tire. Address, 5760 Broadway, Bronx, New York 10463. Phone, 718-690-7036. Tire to Go. Address, 312 South 3rd Street, Brooklyn, New York 11211. Phone, 646-571-5136. Toro Tire Store Inc. Address, 21-05 38th Avenue, Queens, New York 11101. Phone, 718-962-4908. Tire repair near me in Los Angeles. L.A. Tires. Address, 2517 West 8th Street, Los Angeles, California 90057. Phone, 323-493-9621. Bonanza Tire Shop, Inc. Address, 1621 Venice Boulevard, Los Angeles, California 90006. Phone, 213-380-6465. American Tire Centers. Address, 5206 Hollywood Boulevard, Los Angeles, California 90027. Phone, 323-661-8473. Pep Boys. Address, 1200 West Washington Boulevard, Los Angeles, California 90007. Phone, 213-749-1594. West Coast Tire and Amp Service. Address, 2239 Punctures Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90064. Phone, 310-775-2749. Big Brand Tire and Amp Service. Address, 1301 N. Highland Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90028. Phone, 323-785-2036. Linares Tires and Amp Auto Service. Address, 2201 South Central Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90011. Phone, 213-493-4082. Tire repair near me in Miami. Mr. Goma Tires. Address, 3251 Northwest 27th Avenue, Miami, Florida 33142. Phone, 786-703-4807. Los Eba Tire Shop. Address, 2345 Northwest 36th Street, Miami, Florida 33142. Telephone, 305-633-6666. Tire Kingdom. Address, 8790 Southwest 24th Street, Miami, Florida 33165. Phone, 786-310-1791. USA Special Tires. Address, 7190 Southwest 8th Street, Miami, Florida 33144. Telephone, 305-992-6153. Street. Post Tire Pros. Address, 7601 Northwest 66th Street, Miami, Florida 33166. Phone, 305-306-1975. In conclusion, finding the best tire repair options near you is essential for ensuring your safety and maintaining your vehicle's performance. Whether you choose a local shop, a mobile service, or a national chain, it's important to consider factors like convenience, cost, and customer reviews. By taking the time to research and select the right service, you can drive with confidence knowing that your tires are in good hands. Remember, regular maintenance and prompt repairs can extend the life of your tires and keep you safe on the road. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.